Okay, today I'm going to show you how to make two socket and two switches. Alright, so you need to buy a switch box like this in the market. Alright, so this is a ready-made, it's already been cut for us. So what we need to do is we need to take out this, right? So just press it with your hand or a plier or anything, whichever is available. Okay, so I'm doing with my hand, and here's the one and here's the other one. Some are quite strong, so you need a plier like this. Yeah, and once this is done, this is clean. Alright, but this side is not very much clean, so make sure that everything is alright, and the side also make sure that everything is alright. So just clean this side properly. Okay, this is done. So just see the name here, so this will fit. I'm putting an old one because you know, the old box is already bad, so I'm replacing with a new one. Okay, so this is done. All right, so one gone, then here comes the other one, the switch. Alright, and then this is the other one, the switch downside. Okay, and this is the other one. Alright, so what we need to do is we need to insert this properly. Once we are done with this, we need to insert the screws here. These are the screws, these are the screws. Okay, so these are the screws. So this is done already installed, and we need to put this, you know, at the back. Just hold it like this. This is the one. All right, just put it here. Then you need to put this other one here as well. Then this one again. This one again. And this one again. This one again. Then this one again. After this, hold this one and tighten this. Just hold the back here and tighten the screw as well. as well. Just tighten the screw. Just tighten this. This one as well, tight this one as well. Once everything is tight, the next thing is you need to cut this short wire. Okay, so I have already cut these wires, and these are the two wires. All right, so positive would be on the right hand side and negative on the left hand side. So two sockets and two switches. All right, so what we need to do is I have used this green wire for the thing. Okay, so the upper one, this one would be the earthing. Okay, so here is the earthing. So put the wire for the earthing here. Just tighten this, and this one as well for the earthing. Okay, this is done. Now the next thing is, this one is for the negative, right? So what we will do is we're gonna put here the negative here. Okay. This is the negative. It's always good to use a color. For negative you can use either blue, black. For the positive, always red. So here's the one, and right. Tighten this, and here is for the positive. I'm using a blue color. You can always use the red. I'm using a blue color. So let's see this. I think this. I'll use this one. This one is short, so let me use this. This is for the positive. This for positive. Okay, this is done, and this one for the positive as well. So here is the positive side, here's the positive side, here's the positive side, and here's the positive side as well. Okay, so the live wire, the positive wire will go here, the switches are there, and the negative wire, one of the main wire, will go here. Okay, so this is completed. The next thing is I need to put this, install this. So I'll be making a hole here. So give me a second and I'll make a hole here, and after which we'll start from there. So this wiring is completed. I believe this is positive for the, you know, when you switch on this, the positive side will come here, the side, the positive will come here. All right, positive on the right hand side, negative on the left hand side. So this is done. Once it is completed, it will be closed like this. The love wire from the main, it will come here. We need to break this one as well. So this one too we can break easily, all right, with the help of some screwdriver or with the help of some plier. We can break this one, right? With the help of this, we need to break this one as well. So we need to break this. Once we break this one, we'll be able to take it out. This one will break it. This is done. Once we are done, we'll fix this one, then we'll put it there. Once this is over, okay, this is quite tough, so I will bring something to break.